the knowledge of ancient Indian geometry becomes available to us through the texts called Sulva Sutras. The word Sulva is derived from the word root, which means to measure. In fact, the geometry in that period was called Sulva Shastra or Rajju Shastra, and a rope with knots was used as a measuring instrument. This instrument was named as Sulva. There are innumerable references in the Rig Veda about the construction of altars of different shapes and sizes, which we now commonly study under the geometric shapes. Sulva Sutra, dated about 8th century BC, gives us the steps of construction of fire altars in the form of a falcon. Bricks of various shapes and sizes were laid in 5 layers to form the altars. The theorem stating that the square on the hypotenuse of right-angled triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of its sides has been explicitly stated in the Sulva Sutras. This theorem is usually attributed to Pythagoras, who developed it about 300 years after Bodhayan. Sulva Sutra and Vedas also contain many geometrical constructions and properties of various geometrical figures. In the ancient text of Sulva Sutra, the surds of the type under root 2, under root 3, etc. have also been introduced. Bodhayan and Apastamba Sutras give us a rational approximation of under root 2 in the shloka Samasya Dvikarani Pramanam Tritiyena Vardhayet Tatchaturthenatma Chatusastrim Shonena Savishesha, which means under root 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3.4 minus 1 upon 3.434. These Sulva Sutras also have a mention of the solution of the quadratic equation like ax raised to the power 2 is equal to c and ax raised to the power 2 plus bx is equal to c.
In fact, Mamta, I would like to share with you the fact that the Vedanga Jyotish written in about 1000 BC equates Ganit with the feathers of a peacock and the jewel stone of a snake. Just as these are placed at the highest point of the body, Ganit is highest amongst all branches of Vedas and Shastras.
That is truly amazing. I never really knew how important mathematics and computing are in the day-to-day affairs of the state, even in the olden days.
So that is all we have time for. We'll see you again shortly. Till then, from all of us here, it is goodbye.